Hey everyone, are you looking for a natural way to boost your health? Look no further than chia seeds. These tiny powerhouses are packed with nutrients that can do wonders for your body. Let's dive in and discover 12 enticing health benefits of chia seeds. Benefit 1. A fiber powerhouse for digestive harmony. Chia seeds are a nutritional goldmine, particularly when it comes to fiber. A single ounce packs a whopping 11 grams of this essential nutrient, making them a fiber powerhouse. Fiber is the unsung hero of digestive health. It acts as a gentle regulator, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. By stimulating the growth of beneficial bacteria in the gut, fiber fosters a thriving microbiome, crucial for overall well-being. This harmonious balance of gut flora supports digestion, nutrient absorption, and even immune function. Moreover, fiber aids in preventing diverticulitis, a painful condition affecting the colon. Scientific research consistently underscores the link between fiber intake and improved digestive health. It's the dietary fiber that earns the credit for contributing to normal bowel function. Benefit 2. Heart-healthy omega-3s for cardiovascular vitality. Chia seeds are a treasure trove of heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids, making them a standout choice for vegetarians and vegans seeking to nourish their cardiovascular system. These essential fats are vital players in maintaining a regular heart rhythm and combating inflammation. Omega-3 fatty acids work their magic by reducing triglycerides, harmful fats in the blood. They also contribute to lower blood pressure by promoting the relaxation of blood vessels. Additionally, these beneficial fats help prevent blood clots, a leading cause of heart attacks and strokes. By safeguarding the health of blood vessels, omega-3s play a pivotal role in reducing the risk of heart disease. Countless studies have solidified the connection between omega-3 fatty acids and heart health. Research consistently demonstrates their ability to lower the risk of heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular complications. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet is a delicious and effective way to harness the power of omega-3s for a healthier heart. Chia seeds are incredibly absorbent, capable of soaking up water and forming a gel-like substance in your stomach. This unique property helps you feel fuller for longer, making them a popular choice for those managing their weight. Benefit 3. A mineral marvel for bone fortification. Chia seeds are a nutritional powerhouse, teeming with essential minerals that contribute to robust and resilient bones. These tiny seeds are particularly rich in calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, the trifecta of bone health. Calcium serves as the fundamental building block for bone structure, providing the essential framework that supports our bodies. Phosphorus works in concert with calcium to enhance bone mineral density, optimizing bone strength and integrity. Magnesium, often underestimated, plays a pivotal role in bone formation and maintenance, ensuring bones remain robust and resistant to fractures. By incorporating chia seeds into your diet, you provide your body with a concentrated dose of these vital minerals, fostering optimal bone health. The synergistic relationship between calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium is crucial for bone health. These minerals work harmoniously to optimize bone density, preventing bone loss, and reducing the risk of osteoporosis, especially as we age. Benefit 4. Blood sugar balance and sustained energy. Chia seeds have garnered attention for their potential to support blood sugar management. The impressive fiber content in chia seeds plays a pivotal role in slowing down the digestion of carbohydrates, preventing rapid surges in blood sugar levels. When blood sugar levels fluctuate wildly, it can lead to insulin resistance and increase the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. The fiber in chia seeds acts as a stabilizing agent, promoting a gradual release of glucose into the bloodstream. This controlled energy supply helps to maintain steady blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes and reducing cravings. By incorporating chia seeds into your diet, you can enjoy sustained energy levels and support overall metabolic health. While further research is necessary to fully elucidate the mechanisms behind chia seeds and blood sugar control, the available evidence suggests that they can be a valuable addition to a diabetes-friendly diet. Revered by the ancient Aztecs and Mayans, chia seeds were considered a symbol of strength and endurance. These civilizations recognized the incredible nutritional value of chia seeds and relied on them as a potent source of energy for their warriors. Benefit 5. Hydration haven and antioxidant armor. Chia seeds are renowned for their exceptional ability to absorb water, transforming into a hydrating gel when combined with liquids. This unique property makes them a hydration hero, helping to quench thirst and maintain optimal hydration levels throughout the day. Whether you're engaging in intense physical activity, spending time in the sun, or simply looking to boost your hydration, chia seeds can be a valuable ally. Beyond their hydrating prowess, chia seeds are packed with antioxidants, nature's defenders against harmful free radicals. These potent compounds help to shield your cells from oxidative damage, which is linked to chronic diseases and premature aging. By incorporating chia seeds into your diet, you're providing your body with an extra layer of antioxidant protection, supporting overall cellular health and vitality. Furthermore, the gel-forming nature of chia seeds contributes to increased feelings of fullness and satiety. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals managing their weight or those seeking to curb appetite and reduce snacking between meals. Benefit 6. Protein powerhouse for muscle and strength. While primarily celebrated for their fiber and omega-3 content, chia seeds also deliver a respectable amount of protein, making them a valuable addition to any diet focused on building and maintaining muscle mass. Protein is the essential building block for muscle tissue, playing a crucial role in muscle growth, repair, and recovery. For vegetarians and vegans, chia seeds offer a convenient and plant-based source of protein to support their dietary needs. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts can also benefit from the protein content in chia seeds, as it aids in muscle development and helps to optimize post-workout recovery. By incorporating chia seeds into your diet, you provide your body with the protein it needs to fuel muscle growth, strength, and overall performance. Chia seeds are not only gluten-free, but also naturally free from common allergens like soy, nuts, and dairy, making them a versatile and inclusive food choice for individuals with dietary restrictions. Benefit 7. A natural ally against inflammation. Chronic inflammation underlies a myriad of health conditions, including heart disease, arthritis, and digestive disorders. The body's inflammatory response, while essential for combating infections, can become overactive and contribute to chronic disease when left unchecked. Fortunately, chia seeds offer a natural and potent approach to inflammation management. Chia seeds are a rich source of compounds with potent anti-inflammatory properties. The omega-3 fatty acids, renowned for their heart-healthy benefits, also play a crucial role in reducing inflammation throughout the body. Additionally, the antioxidants present in chia seeds help to neutralize harmful free radicals that can contribute to oxidative stress and inflammation. By incorporating chia seeds into your diet, you provide your body with a valuable arsenal of anti-inflammatory compounds to support overall well-being and potentially reduce your risk of chronic inflammatory diseases. Benefit 8. A versatile tool for weight management. While chia seeds are not a magic weight loss solution, they can be a powerful ally in your weight management journey. The high fiber content in chia seeds creates a feeling of fullness and satiety, helping to curb appetite and reduce overall calorie intake. When you feel satisfied and less inclined to snack between meals, it becomes easier to maintain a healthy calorie balance. Furthermore, the gel-forming properties of chia seeds slow down the digestion process, leading to sustained energy levels and reduced blood sugar spikes. This can help prevent those mid-afternoon energy crashes that often tempt us to reach for unhealthy snacks. By incorporating chia seeds into your diet, as part of a balanced eating plan and regular physical activity, you can harness their potential to support your weight management goals and cultivate a healthier relationship with food. The versatility of chia seeds extends beyond their nutritional benefits. They can be easily incorporated into a wide range of dishes, from smoothies and yogurt bowls to baked goods and salads. Their mild flavor allows them to complement various tastes and textures, making them a delightful and nutritious addition to your culinary repertoire. Benefit 9. A natural glow from within. Chia seeds offer potential benefits that extend beyond internal health to nourish and enhance the appearance of your skin. The omega-3 fatty acids found in chia seeds are vital components of healthy skin cells, acting as a hydrating and protective barrier. By maintaining optimal skin hydration, chia seeds contribute to a supple, soft, and radiant complexion. Additionally, the antioxidants present in chia seeds combat oxidative stress, which is a major contributor to premature aging and skin damage. These antioxidants help to neutralize harmful free radicals, protecting your skin from environmental aggressors and promoting a youthful and vibrant appearance. While the direct impact of chia seeds on skin health requires further research, the abundance of skin-nourishing nutrients they provide suggests a potential role in supporting overall skin health and vitality. Benefit 10. Fuel for the mind. Emerging research points to the potential cognitive benefits associated with chia seed consumption. The omega-3 fatty acids found in chia seeds are essential building blocks for brain health, supporting optimal brain function, memory, and cognitive performance. These fatty acids play a crucial role in maintaining the structure and function of brain cells, enhancing communication between brain cells, and supporting overall brain health. Furthermore, the antioxidants present in chia seeds protect brain cells from oxidative damage, which can contribute to cognitive decline. By incorporating chia seeds into your diet, you provide your brain with essential nutrients that may support cognitive function and overall brain health. Chia seeds are incredibly versatile and can be easily incorporated into a variety of culinary creations. From smoothies and yogurt bowls to baked goods and salads, chia seeds add a nutritional boost and unique texture to your meals. Experiment with different recipes to discover your favorite ways to enjoy the benefits of chia seeds. Benefit 11. Fueling peak performance. Chia seeds can be a game changer for athletes and active individuals seeking to optimize their performance. Their unique ability to absorb water and form a gel-like substance makes them an excellent hydration source during intense workouts, helping to prevent dehydration and maintain optimal performance. Beyond hydration, chia seeds offer sustained energy release thanks to their fiber and complex carbohydrate content. This steady stream of energy helps to prevent energy crashes and maintain endurance, allowing athletes to push their limits and excel in their chosen sports. Furthermore, the omega-3 fatty acids found in chia seeds support heart health, which is crucial for efficient oxygen delivery to muscles and overall cardiovascular performance. Benefit 12. A potential natural ally for allergy sufferers. While more scientific research is needed to definitively establish a link, some individuals with allergies have reported potential benefits from incorporating chia seeds into their diet. The high fiber content in chia seeds acts as a prebiotic, promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome has been linked to improved immune function, which may play a role in mitigating allergy symptoms. Additionally, the gel-forming properties of chia seeds may help to bind allergens in the digestive system, potentially reducing their impact on the body. However, it's essential to consult with an allergist or healthcare provider for personalized advice and to determine if chia seeds are suitable for your specific allergy management plan. Beyond their nutritional benefits, chia seeds offer a delightful textural element to various dishes. When soaked in liquid, they create a pudding-like consistency that can be enjoyed on its own or incorporated into recipes for desserts, smoothies, and more. Experiment with different flavors and toppings to create your own chia seed pudding masterpieces. So there you have it. Chia seeds are an amazing addition to any healthy lifestyle. With so many incredible benefits, it's no wonder they're gaining popularity. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. See you in the next one.